तमाम इंसानों के फ़ायदे के लिए निकाली गई हो, तुम अच्छी बातों का हुक्म देते हो और बुरी बातों से रोकते हो और अल्लाह पर ईमान लाते हो। आज की दुनिया तरह तरह की मुश्किलात का शिकार है, इंफरादी और इज्तिमाई अमन बर्बाद हो रहा है, दिमागी अवारिस बढ़ते चले जा रहे हैं। बहसीत अहमदी मुसलमान ये हमारा फ़र्ज है, हम दुनिया को राह रास्त की तरफ बुलाएं। हम पर तो हमारे प्यारे आका नबी करीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने ये जिम्मेदारी पहले से डाल रखी है। आप फरमाते हैं, तुम में से कोई शख्स मोमिन नहीं हो सकता जब तक वो अपने भाई के लिए वो पसंद ना करे जो वो अपने लिए पसंद करता है। इसलिए बतौर अहमदी मुसलमान हमारा ये फ़र्ज़ है कि हम पहले खुद इस्लाम की खूबसूरत तालीम पर अमल पैरा होकर अपने घरों को जन्नत नज़ीर बनाएं और फिर इस्लाम के पैगाम को कनाडा के कोने कोने में पहुँचा दें, ताकि ये दुनिया रसूल करीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम के झंडे तले इकट्ठी हो जाए और अमन का गहवारा बन जाए। अल्लाह ताला हमें ये जिम्मेदारी पूरी करने की तौफीक अता फरमाए।
आमीन। सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम जिंदाबाद। Allahu Akbar.
We would have a silent prayer, but before the silent prayer, I announce the attendance of Jalsah Salana report. By the grace of Allah, the total attendance of 45th Jalsah Salana Canada is 21,297, men 10,473, ladies 10,824. Once again, the ladies have gone ahead of the gents. Once again, mashallah. The guests, 861 from 46 countries. And the number of the volunteers who have served us is 4,511. Rabbana taqabbal minna innaka antas samiul alim. May Allah accept this service from all of us. After the silent prayer, Azan will be called, and we would have Zohr and Asr prayers, and then lunch would be served. In our prayer, we would remember, first of all, Sayyidina Hazrat Hibatul Masih, Ayyadahullah Ta'ala bin Nasr Aziz, that Allah may support all his efforts in the service of Islam, Ahmadiyyat. Allah may guide him in every step and accept all his prayers. We should remember the martyrs of the Jamaat around the world and their families. We should remember the prisoners of war, prisoners of conscience, Asiran-e-Rahe Maula and their families. That Allah may grant them steadfastness, Allah may accept the sacrifices of the Shuhada and the prisoners, and Allah may shorten the period of their trial. Our brothers and sisters are undergoing severe persecution in Pakistan, Bangladesh, Algeria, and some other countries. Brothers and sisters we should remember them all in our prayer that Allah may alleviate their sufferings and open for them the gates of His mercy. Sayyidina Hazrat Hibatul Masih mentioned also the condition of the Palestinian Muslims. May Allah make them understand the solution which Allah has for uplift of the Muslim Ummah. They should understand it and accept it. Please remember the volunteers of Jalsah Salana, Jalsah Gah and Khidmat-e-Khalq who have spent long hours for so many days preparing for this blessed event. Particularly the volunteers of Langar Khana who have worked long hours from very early in the morning till very late in the evening so that we may eat on time. Volunteers on traffic and parking, they have very difficult duties and they do it with love and they deserve our appreciation and our prayers. And please remember all others who have contributed in any way to the success of this Jalsah Salana. At the end, there is a request from our very honored, our very dear brother, Muhammad Sheikh Audeh Sahib, Amir of Palestine Jamaat, who was sent as a Markaz representative and from who we benefited before the Jalsah Salana. with his visits in various Jamaat, and also during the Jalsah Salana. He had to leave early for his flight back to Palestine. He is requesting for safety of his return travel and their Jalsah Salana, which is going to be held next weekend. Please join me in the silent prayer.